happening right now in the life sciences industry is the technology's getting better. The technology itself is getting more efficient, more effective, and as a result, more people are doing it. As more people engage in the life sciences, more companies are getting started. As more companies get started, they need more infrastructure and real estate. So we in the life sciences real estate industry are having to find ways to finance it, design it, fund it, develop it in order to accommodate the rapid rise in entrepreneurship within the life sciences ecosystem across the United States of America. That's the fundamental change.
I think the science is evolving at an incredibly rapid pace and being incredibly productive. That combined with the fact that both life science is evolving, but these other scientific endeavors are evolving, big data, artificial intelligence, that's helping. Things like the genome, 3 billion base pairs, the data that is involved in managing and handling all those computations is enormous. So the fact that big data, artificial intelligence, I would bring it down on, nanotechnology is huge. The ability to actually get a sense of what's happening at the molecular level and to be able to manipulate things, I think those other disciplines are combining with life sciences, I think, to make this a much more impactful sector.
I think what's happening here in the industry is that we're finding a faster pace. We're essentially not only in the age of genomic medicine, but we're in the age of acceleration. As real estate operators, we have to move faster. We have to adapt our spaces faster. We're supporting tenant bases that are trying to introduce targeted therapies to smaller populations or personalized therapies to rare diseases. What we have to do is figure out how to move our bricks and mortar faster. And the only way to do that is with changes in technology. We're also changing the way we've designed and zoned the buildings so that we can switch tenants in and out faster. By switching tenants in and out faster, we're circumventing a whole new building process. And that's the way the real estate process, or the real estate industry, has cheated the system and kept these bricks and mortar buildings essentially operating at the pace of genomic medicine.
So certainly we've seen a ton of activity from cell and gene therapy companies in the market to date. I think what's really interesting is we're starting to see this convergence of the tech sector and the life science sector here. And we are getting calls from our large tech users trying to get educated on the life science industry here, the market here, and how they can tap into that same life science talent. So I think as there's more automation on the life science side and we try to be more efficient with research and development, you're going to continue to see this infusion of the tech sector and the life science sector here in Greater Boston.
The reason the industry grew so fast in Kendall really has to do with the investment MIT made in the area. And it effectively enabled a level of commercial activity inside and outside of its university walls that were very interesting to the industry and initiated a desire to move here. To this day, it still is considered one of the greatest addresses in the world to operate and hire talent.